If you're seeing an ElevenLabs.io error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to using the site as fast as possible. These kinds of issues are usually caused by browser cache problems, cookies, ad blockers, VPNs, or an account security flag. And the good news is that most of them are easy to solve. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, try the fastest fix, which is clearing your browser cache and cookies. A lot of website errors happen because your browser is loading old or broken data. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you clear cached images and files, and cookies and other site data. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen it. If you want a quicker test before clearing everything, you can also press Ctrl and F5 on Windows or Command Shift and R on a Mac to force the page to reload without using the old cached version. After refreshing, go back to ElevenLabs and check whether the error is gone. If not, the next thing to try is disabling any ad blockers or privacy extensions. Sometimes browser extensions block scripts that websites need in order to work properly, even if the extension seems unrelated. Temporarily turn off your ad blocker, script blocker, or privacy tool, then refresh ElevenLabs and see if the site loads correctly. If you use a VPN, disable that as well. VPNs can sometimes trigger security systems or make the website think your login is coming from an unusual location. Once you switch it off, reload the page and test again. If you still see an error, especially a message about unusual activity or free tier access being disabled, then the problem may be account related rather than browser related. In that case, the best next step is to log out of ElevenLabs completely. After logging out, go back into your browser settings and delete the cookies specifically for ElevenLabs if possible. Removing those cookies can clear out any corrupted session data or account flags attached to your browser. Then log back in again, and if you have the option, try signing in with your Google account instead of using another login method. That often resolves account verification issues much faster. After you've tried all of these steps, refresh ElevenLabs one more time and test the site again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the error and get everything working normally. If it still isn't loading correctly, the issue may be temporary on ElevenLabs' side, so waiting a little while and trying again later can also help. Hopefully this video saved you some time and frustration. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.